To use the Crypto.com debit card, start by ensuring you have a verified Crypto.com account and have ordered your card from the Crypto.com app. Once you receive your card, activate it in the app by going to the card section and following the prompts. Next, fund your card by transferring cryptocurrency from your Crypto.com wallet to your card wallet. You can do this by navigating to the card section, selecting the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and entering the amount. To use your card for purchases, simply select the cryptocurrency you want to use as the funding source and ensure you have sufficient balance. You can use your card online or in store, wherever Visa is accepted. For online transactions, enter your card details as you would with any other debit card. For in-store transactions, insert or tap your card and enter your PIN. When making a purchase, the equivalent value of the cryptocurrency you have selected will be converted to the local currency in real time. You can also earn rewards and cashback on your purchases, depending on the card tier you have. To manage your card, go to the card section in the Crypto.com app, where you can view your balance, transaction history, and card details. You can also freeze your card, change your PIN, or report it lost or stolen. To get the most out of your Crypto.com debit card, make sure to monitor your account activity regularly and keep your card and account information secure. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using your card, such as foreign transaction fees or ATM withdrawal fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and conveniently use your Crypto.com debit card for everyday purchases and take advantage of the benefits of using cryptocurrency in your daily life.